all right. We have a 5th grade PSSA math problem where we are being asked to add 2 improper fractions without the use of a calculator. Now, you cannot add fractions or subtract fractions unless the denominators are the same. So I need to make sure that these 2 denominators are the same. So let's write them out. 7/8 plus 11/5. Now you have to ask yourself, how can I make an 8 and a 5 the same number? Well, if I'm thinking 8 times 5, you're thinking the right thing. So if I multiply 8 times 5, I can make it a 40. And if I multiply 5 times 8, I can also make that a 40. So what we do is if I'm going to multiply this 8 to 5, I have to do the same thing with the 7. So 7 times 5 and 8 times 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. Now we're going to do the same exact process over here where we're going to multiply u by 8 and also u by 8. That gets us 88 in the numerator and 40 in the denominator. Now I can add fractions. So sometimes these numbers aren't very pretty. And again, this is not a calculator section. You're not allowed to use your calculator. So if you're thinking, I'm going to add the numbers across the numerator, you're correct. But if you're a little nervous and you need to say, all right, I got to do the old school traditional, let's do 88 plus 35, there's absolutely nothing wrong with doing that. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Write out your 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, so you end up with 123. So this becomes 123, and when you add fractions of the same denominator, you keep the denominator the way it is. So 123/40. Now they want you to answer this as a mixed number, so I have to do a little bit of division here. So I'm going to see how many times 40 goes into 123. Well, I know 4 goes into 12 3 times, so 40 probably goes into 123 3 times as well. So I'm going to take that 3 and multiply it to 40. I get 120. And then I'm going to subtract these two numbers. When I subtract these two numbers, I get a remainder of 3. So how do I turn that into a fraction? Well, this red 3 is the whole number that sits out in front of a fraction. That remainder is going to be the new numerator, and your 40, the old 40, is still going to be your denominator. So when we're done, we end up with 3 and 3/40. So in this case, the answer is D.